Hey kids, welcome to Kidopedia.
A quick way to multiply any single-digit number by 9 is with a finger trick. Here's how it works. Hold both hands out in front of you, with all 10 fingers extended. For the number you want to multiply by 9, count that many fingers from the left. For example, to calculate 3 times 9, you'll count to the third finger. Bend that finger down. The number of fingers to the left of the bent finger represents the tens digit of your answer. In this case, there are 2 fingers to the left. The number of fingers to the right of the bent finger represents the ones digit. There are 7 fingers to the right. Putting it together, the answer is 27.